As more and more companies move to Azure, the demand for professionals who can actually manage these cloud environments is just exploding. This is where Microsoft's AZ-104 Azure Administrator Associate certification comes in. It's really become a key credential for IT pros to prove their skills in managing Azure infrastructure, covering all the core stuff like compute, storage, networking, and identity.
That's right. This certification isn't just about theory. It's designed to mirror the actual demands of the job market. Think of it as a direct stepping stone into a cloud career because it focuses on the practical tasks you'll be doing on day one.
I see. So what specific skills is the AZ-104 actually testing? According to Microsoft's official guide, it breaks down into 5 main areas. First is identity and governance, which means managing Azure AD objects and access control. Then there's implementing and managing storage. Third is deploying and managing compute resources like virtual machines. Fourth is configuring and managing virtual networks. And finally, monitoring and maintaining all those resources with tools like Azure Monitor.
Exactly. Those 5 pillars are the bread and butter of daily Azure administration. If you master those, you're equipped to handle the vast majority of tasks that come your way in an Azure infrastructure role. It proves you're ready for the real world.
That makes sense. So for someone looking to prepare for the AZ-104 exam, what's the best strategy? The official advice points towards studying the exam guide, using the free resources on Microsoft Learn, and getting hands-on practice. It also seems crucial to get comfortable with tools like the Azure CLI and PowerShell, and to use practice exams to see where you stand. The payoff seems pretty clear. It makes you more competitive and can lead to more senior roles like an Azure Solutions Architect or a DevOps engineer.
You've nailed it. It's all about combining theory with practice. The career rewards are significant because this certification is directly tied to your professional growth in the cloud space.
I know a lot of people preparing for exams like this can feel overwhelmed by how much content there is, or they might not be familiar with command line tools. In your experience, what's the single biggest stumbling block people need to overcome during preparation?
I think the biggest challenge is not getting enough deep hands-on practice. It's easy to watch videos and read documentation, but the AZ-104 is heavily focused on practical application. The real hurdle is moving from knowing about a service to knowing how to actually deploy, configure, and troubleshoot it. That's why spending quality time in the Azure portal, and especially with the CLI and PowerShell, is the key. You have to focus on understanding the core concepts deeply, not just memorizing commands, because Microsoft updates services all the time. The exam tests if you can solve real problems.
So, to wrap this up, what are the key takeaways for someone considering this path?
Well, to put it simply, first, the AZ-104 is the core certification to prove your Azure administration skills. Second, it covers the 5 essential service areas: identity, storage, compute, networking, and monitoring. Third, your success hinges on a mix of official learning paths, intensive hands-on practice, and mastering the command line tools. And finally, getting this certification significantly boosts your career, opening doors to both immediate administrator roles and more advanced positions down the line.